What's poppin', Bad Squad? It's your girl Angelique, and I am back for another video. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that right now. Turn on your notification bell, like, share, and let's get into this wash and go. Today is going to be a wash and go tutorial. I have not done a wash and go in so long. My hair is freshly washed. I use the Aussie Moist conditioner and shampoo, the new one that they added with avocado. Like, they changed up the formula and I like it a lot. Like, my hair feels a lot healthier when I wash with the shampoo. My hair didn't feel stripped like it usually does. Like, it felt clean but not stripped, which is a good thing. And it's the beginning of allergy season, so everything is just a little haywire right now with my health, or as far as like my sinuses go. So I sound a little crazy, but I have been out of the shower for about 20 minutes and my hair, like, it'll start to dry out very fast. So like I said, my hair is already washed, and I used shampoo and conditioner by Aussie. Oh my God, I used the Aussie Moist. This just spilled everywhere. I'm talking about the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. Like, this is really good. I know that I was raving about the Thank God It's Natural leave-in conditioner when I first got that. But honestly, I wouldn't rave about something if I didn't love it. And I wouldn't keep using it in my hair if I didn't love it. Like, no, you can't return things to the beauty supply store, so I wouldn't be able to get my money back, but I wouldn't tell y'all about it. It's leave-in conditioner, and I'm just gonna like rake that into my hair, slash just kind of use the praying hands method, I guess. I don't even know if that's really what it's called, but I'm trying not to disturb my curls too much, but we'll see how that goes. So you just want to make sure your whole head gets the conditioner, and make sure you're being generous, because the thing about wash and goes that a lot of people don't like is how drying it is on the hair, or how drying it can be on your hair. So just make sure you're really loading up your hair, especially your ends, with the leave-in conditioner. So now that your section has leave-in conditioner in it, you want to go ahead and add in a little bit of oil on the roots. So I'm running out of oil, so I'm not going to be using that much, but this is also an Aunt Jackie's product. This is the Nourish My Hair Flaxseed and Manoi oil. So after that step, I'm taking my Eco Styler gel. This is the black castor, flaxseed, and not flaxseed and manoi. This is the black castor and flaxseed oil gel. And I'm gonna take about this much of it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start at the roots, and I'm going to just add it to my hair. And see, I missed a patch right here. It's all furred. Keep repeating the process. If you like your hair parted, you could part it now so that you don't forget, which is what I'm gonna do, because I always forget to part my hair for my wash and go until it's too late. Spurts of water. All right, and then the last section, I don't really separate it too much, because I feel like when I do, I overload it with product. So I'm going to just work in one big section. So I'm going to use this edge brush, and since I'm going out of town and I need my edges to last for days and days and days, I'm going to use the Got To Be Glued styling spiking glue. We're going out of town today, and I don't have any travel size natural hair products, so I always have to do my hair before I leave, like the day I leave, and just try to ride it out. So So yeah, so I'm just gonna lay down my part with the styling glue, and then that way when my hair does completely dry, that part won't move. And so I'm gonna get all my perimeters with this stuff. Don't be afraid to be generous. Like, I know I'm kind of speaking for myself because I don't know how everyone's hair takes product. This is our finished look. See how it moves? So you want movement in your curls. But again, like I said, until it's fully dry, you don't want to do too much movement or disturb your curls too much. So it is going to take a couple hours for my hair to dry, but in the meantime, I'm not going to touch my hair too much. I'm going to keep my hands out of it, and I'm going to try not to like rub my hair on anything like a couch or anything like that. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Comment below if you have any questions. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and share this video with your friends. I'll see you guys at 10K. We're going to get to 10K. Like, honestly, truly, we're going to get to like 1 million one day. But in the meantime, we got to hit these goals. So I need y'all to be sharing with your friends, liking, commenting, interacting with me. Follow me on my Instagram at breeangeliquebeauty, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.